Good morning. This is Carlos from City Sightseeing, Stroma, and I am in Ocean Drive. And we have some issues with this Stepon Stepov people. They have 3 buses here, and 2 of them are in the position number 1 and 2, and they're supposed to have position number 3, and they don't want to move the buses in the last half an hour, I think. So what can we do? Yeah, it's not you the person I have to talk to. Oh, because Thomas X give me your number. So Thomas Eck, our boss, our superior in Stroma, the Viking bus. Okay, because I don't know if you have a back or something that can do something here, because this is totally out of control. These people are... The Skylift? What? No, we are the City Sightseeing. Stroma. You know, the 3 companies doing the sightseeing here. The Stepon Stepov supposed to be in position number 3, and they have 2 buses in position number 1 and 2, and they don't want to move. What's wrong? That they don't supposed to be there? We are